Hey there, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest reviews and unboxings. Today, we've got something really exciting for you, the original iPhone 12 Pro Max 95% new. This phone is an absolute game changer, and let me tell you why you need to get your hands on it. First off, let's talk about the condition of this phone. It's 95% new, which means it's in excellent condition. It has been 100% tested and verified, and all functions are working perfectly. Plus, it's unlocked from all carriers, so you have the freedom to use it with any network. Now, let's talk about the bundle options. Whether you choose the 128GB or the 256GB version, you'll get the standard package along with a wall charger. But if you opt for the 2 chargers option, you'll also get a wireless charger included. And here's the best part, with the unlimited color option, you don't have to worry about the color of the phone. You'll get the best condition and quality phone selected for you. And as for the standard package, it includes the original unlocked iPhone 12 Pro Max, a data cable, and we're throwing in a free case and a glass screen protector as a gift to you. This phone is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a high cost-effective device that's suitable for personal use. With a battery health of about 87%, you can trust that this phone will last you a long time. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the original iPhone 12 Pro Max 95% new and take advantage of this amazing offer. Trust me, you won't regret it. And while you're at it, don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment if you've got any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.